of the interweb. My name is Zero. Welcome to Zero Expectations. We have a really special segment for you guys today. It's called Impersonations in Public Locations, and this is celebrity style. So let's get going. Whitney, you can start. Get over there. Okay, so you are impersonating Jim Carrey. Speak up.
How could I impersonate Jim Carrey? Let's see. What do I think of? Of course, it's always Jim Carrey.
Is this your impersonation?
Definitely.
It sucks. Alright, switch. Okay, who am I impersonating?
Oh gosh. Andy B.
Okay. By Andy B, she means Andy Biersack. In the end, as we fade to the night. Okay, that's my Andy B. Okay, Whitney, you're impersonating Jennifer Lopez. Alright. Hit me with your best shot. Give me a good one.
A good one?
Yeah.
You should do Elvis Presley.
Thank you very much. Okay, that's my Elvis. That was terrible. Alright, you gave me Elvis, I'm giving you Michael Jackson. Oh my gosh. Alright.
It'd be better if I had the white glove. There you go. Let's see, what was the other one we discussed? Let's see, Gearsack? Something like that? Gerard, there we go.
Okay, so we're impersonating now Gerard Way, the Queen of Sass.
Oh gosh.
Yeah.
Sassy Diva.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you over the sound of how sassy I am. Kanye. Do it. Just give me your best impersonation. That'll work. Alright, I got time for one more and then, yeah. Alright, so make my last one really good. Give me something embarrassing even.
Oh god, embarrassing?
Give me someone you know I don't like.
That you don't like? That's kind of difficult. Justin Bieber.
How do I impersonate Justin Bieber?
I could do that.
I don't know how to do this. And I was like, baby, 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 oh, baby. I'm ashamed I even know that part. Okay, you guys. That is all the time we have for today, and that is seriously all the embarrassment I can spare. Thank you so much, Whitney Farley. Woohoo!
You are very welcome.
Be sure to like and subscribe to become a Panda Pirate today, so you don't miss out on any of this chaos. Follow me on Twitter at ExpectingZero. Also, follow Ella Cole's fan page at WeColeFans. She follows the page too, you guys. So, yeah.